Hello and welcome to the project demonstration of vial sorting station with the help of IR sensor replacing high-end camera systems.
We press the push button and conveyor will start. We have used Oriental DC brushless motor with 24 volt output. Glass wires are placed on 3D printed mounts. First one is a without metal cap. Second one is with unscrewed metal cap, which means it's more in length than the required parameters. Third one is a perfectly good part. Vials will pass on conveyor. First IR sensor will count the vials. Second IR sensor will measure the length and decide if it's a good part or bad part.
As the vials pass beneath the inductive sensor, it detects if the cap is present or not within its 4 mm operating range. If it is, then it is considered as a good part, else it is considered as a bad part.
We are using 4 ducts with 0.4 millimeter, and the PLC decides if the part beneath it is a good part or bad part with the help of the inductive and IR sensor feedback given to the PLC. The good parts are segregated towards the left side of the conveyor, and the bad parts are segregated to the right side of the conveyor, and the 3D mounts go straight towards the center of the conveyor.
Now we move towards our PLC system. We have used Allen Bradley Compact Logix PLC L32E for controlling our input-output modules. We give input of 2 IR sensors and 1 inductive sensor to our PLC, which is connected properly to the power supply of 24 volts DC. The Mac Air solenoid, which is on the left, is connected to our output module, which controls the air supply of the nozzle by taking input from the sensors and determining which side nozzle is to be activated and which is to be deactivated.
We use a variable frequency speed drive to control the speed of the conveyor, which is set currently to 500 rpm. It can be changed depending upon the application.
Now this is the ladder logic we have used for the vial sorting station. As the program starts, it will first detect, the first photo I will detect if there is a part present and start counting the parts. The second one will detect the length of the part and start a default counter as well as a good part counter. And as it goes through the inductive sensor, it will detect the metal cap and will start the good part sequence. And on the side, there is a default timer which is triggered as soon as the part is detected on the first IR sensor, and the default will just let the part go toward the bad side if either the metal cap is not detected or the length is not good.